Hello and welcome to this edition of Exotic Gardening UK Yorkshire Kris Weekly, and in this episode we're unboxing a new Growlight from Mars Hydro. Right, let's open this up, and it came delivered basically vertically, although I think it should have been horizontal, but we'll open it in this position. Take off the outer straps, and as well as the grow light, it looks like I've been sent a tent as well, a grow tent, so we'll see how that goes. Let's just lay this down. So let's have a look at this light. This is the TSL 2000 model, and if we look in here, I've got pieces of wood and foam for protection of the light. A little poster with some cannabis plants on, which we will be growing, and that's well packed. Let's feel it. Yeah. So there we are. Got all the LEDs. So this is an LED light, so it means it's not using too much energy. And this huge light is 300 watts, which is still quite a lot of energy, but compared to the equivalent sodium or metal halide lights, which will be several thousand watts, this is a low energy efficient alternative, and it's very light. Let's get these foam blocks off the end. Let's have a look. Be careful with that. So inside we've got the light itself, which I'll carefully just put to one side for now. And in the box we've also got a user manual, UK plug, which is important, ratchet hangers and wire hangers, the on and off switch, which is useful obviously, and also you can change the intensity of the light from 0 to 100% depending on the growing, or how much light you want for the plants that are growing inside or underneath the light. And then we've got two of these ballasts which will screw onto the top. These have got a bit of weight behind them. The light itself is extremely light, so that's what's included inside. Now I've just noticed on this side, it's not very evident, but it has been slightly damaged. There's a bit of a bend here where it's gone in a bit. The aluminium side, I don't think it'll affect performance. I mean, it did have very good packaging on here, but it has still got a tiny bit of damage. You see the other side, it's completely straight there, whereas that side just goes in slightly and I can feel a bit of a ripple, but I don't think that'll affect performance. So that's the unboxing of the Mars Hydro 2000 Growlight. In the next video I'll be setting it up, so it's a bit of a short and sweet video this one, but I'll be setting it up, putting it in place, and then I'll be getting some plants growing in there, and then over the next few weeks and months, as well as my regular videos, we'll be coming back to see how the growth of the plants underneath the Growlight is, and then we'll compare that to just a regular growth in the greenhouse. Thanks for watching this edition of Exotic Gardening UK.